Welcome to this tutorial on how to monitor the Paddle dashboard. Paddle is a popular platform for managing and selling software products, and monitoring its dashboard is crucial for optimizing sales, revenue, and customer engagement. First, let's start with accessing the Paddle dashboard. To do this, log into your Paddle account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard section, which provides an overview of your product's performance. The dashboard is divided into several sections, including sales, revenue, and customer metrics. The sales section displays the total number of sales, revenue, and conversion rates for your product. The revenue section shows the total revenue generated, including earnings and payouts. The customer section displays metrics such as customer count, trial conversions, and churn rates. To monitor the dashboard effectively, start by setting up your key performance indicators, or KPIs. These KPIs may include metrics such as daily sales, monthly revenue, and customer acquisition costs. By tracking these KPIs, you can identify trends and patterns in your product's performance and make data-driven decisions to optimize sales and revenue. Next, let's talk about filtering and segmenting data. The Paddle dashboard allows you to filter data by date range, product, and customer type. This enables you to analyze specific segments of your customer base and identify areas for improvement. For example, you can filter data to see sales trends for a specific product or customer segment. Another important aspect of monitoring the Paddle dashboard is tracking customer behavior. The dashboard provides insights into customer behavior, such as trial conversions, churn rates, and customer satisfaction. By analyzing these metrics, you can identify areas for improvement and optimize your customer engagement strategies. Best practices for monitoring the Paddle dashboard include regularly checking the dashboard for updates, setting up custom alerts and notifications, and analyzing data to identify trends and patterns. It's also essential to compare your performance to industry benchmarks and adjust your strategies accordingly. In conclusion, monitoring the Paddle dashboard is crucial for optimizing sales, revenue, and customer engagement. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively monitor your Paddle dashboard and make data-driven decisions to drive business growth.